you're probably looking at this and you're like, whoa, wait, what is this? I've never seen this in my life before. What is going on? I wish I didn't come to school this day. Yeah, that's how I felt. Well, this is actually multiplying. It's really not that hard. Okay, so here's how we start. You count the rows. So this is 3 rows and this is 2 columns. And then you count the other one, which is 2 rows and 3 columns. And then you pretty much just do this, like a 3 by 2, 2 by 3. And then it's pretty much really easy from there. Okay, so these two numbers, the first column and the first row the second row have to match. So it can be like a 4 by 3 and a 3 by 6. As long as these two numbers are matching, you can work it. Because in the end, you'll see why it really matters. Because multiplying it, you need it to match, so it actually works. If it isn't matched, it actually doesn't work the way you want it to. The way you have to multiply it doesn't really work out, and it's just not really pretty. So that's pretty much done. So it's a 3 by 3 because these cancel out and these are left over. So it's a 3 by 3. So I'm just gonna go over here and pretty much just draw out 2 brackets. That is probably gonna be big enough for a 3 by 3. So what you do is, okay, so to multiply, you need to get the first row and the column from the second matrices, and you pretty much just need to multiply it, or combine them to multiply. So, like, 3 would have to multiply by 1, and then you add 1 multiplied by 2. So, like this one right here. Yeah, I got it all ready for you. You just pretty much just combine it to get this number. The first number in your new matrices, your answer pretty much. That one would be 5. So it's 5, and you pretty much do that throughout the whole matrices. So let's see, let's do this again. It would be -2 and -2 with 1 and 2, and that would be this. And then you combine it, or whatever, and then it would be -6. Yeah, your answer would be -6. And then you just do that throughout the whole time. And then you do the third row, and then the first column again, and then you get this, which is 1 multiplied by 1 and plus 2 multiplied by 2. And you get the answer 5. And you pretty much do that the whole time. I already have the answers for this, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill it out. And you can probably pause the video and you could probably like figure it out yourself and then restart it and then look at the answers that I have and see if you have it right or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and fill this out. Okay, so what my answer was, it's a 3 by 3. My first row is 5, -6, 5. My second row, my second column, oh, I meant columns, not rows. This is awkward. My first column is 5, -6, 5. Second column is 1, -2, 2. And then my third column is 0, -4, 5. So that's pretty much what matrices are. You just combine them to get the answer, and your matrices will always have like the same rows and columns, except for when you multiply or divide. This is the end to the multiplying, and I hope you stay tuned for the adding.